Assalamu alaikum. Me Ruqaya ma'am, and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic noise pollution, which is in your syllabus. Noise pollution. The word noise is derived from the Latin word nausea, which means feeling of sickness in the stomach with vomiting sensation. ये जो ये नॉइज वर्ड है, ये लैटिन वर्ड है nausea, which means feeling of sickness in the stomach with vomiting sensation. Any unwanted sound which disturbs the life quality, the quality of life, is called noise. Unwanted sound. According to WHO, noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. This noise, it has become noise pollution. In Stockholm Conference in 1972, in that conference about noise pollution was discussed, and this noise, it is measured in this unit is decibel, denoted by dB. Deci means deci, that is come from Latin word, means word for 10, and Bell is the name of scientist Alexander Graham Bell. Sources of noise pollution. The sources of noise can be broadly divided into natural and man-made. Natural sources: rains, winds and thunders comes under this category. Natural sources, they are occasionally occurrence and cause impact during very short time. Sometimes they are very damaging. कभी कभी ये जो तूफान है, थंडर है, विंड है, या बहुत ज़्यादा तेज बारिश होती है, तो ये बहुत तबाही मचाते हैं, डैमेज करते हैं, नुकसान करते हैं. एंड जो मैन मेड सोर्सेज है उसमें आती है इंडस्ट्रीज, माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज़, ट्रैफिक कंस्ट्रक्शन, अर्बनाइजेशन, सोशल इवेंट्स और मैन मेड सोर्सेज ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन. जो सोशल इवेंट्स हैं उसमें आते हैं यही फंक्शंस, दिवाली, मैरिज, पार्टीज, सोशल इवेंट्स वही होते हैं. ट्रांसपोर्टिंग सिस्टम और द मेन सोर्स ऑफ नॉइज पोल्यूशन इन अर्बन एरियाज. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स, हाईवेज, स्ट्रीट्स cause lot of noise due to the usage of air compressors. Industrial noise also adds to the already unfavorable state of noise pollution. Loudspeakers, all these causes noise pollution. Now health effects of noise pollution. What are the effects of health problems, effects due to noise pollution? Noise pollution can damage physiological and psychological health. High blood pressure, stress, sleep disruption, hearing loss, all are because of noise pollution. This noise pollution also causes memory loss, depression, and it disturbs the sleep. Frequent awakenings, जब नॉइज़ होती है तो रात में अचानक जाग जाते हैं. causes irritation, etc. Now, control of noise pollution. How this noise pollution can be controlling? First of all, noise can be controlled at the source from which this noise has been raised. It can be eliminate the noise at the source. ठीक. Another is this planting of bushes, trees. They can also help in controlling of noise pollution. Buildings can be designed with suitable noise absorbing materials for the walls, window and ceilings. Workers should be provided with equipment such as ear plugs and ear muffs so that their ear can't be damaged. These checking of automobiles, servicing of these automobiles should be done to minimum noise generation. जो पुराने व्हीकल हैं वो ज़्यादातर यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. They cause both noise pollution as well as air pollution. Soundproof doors, windows can be installed. Regulation should be imposed to restrict the usage of play loudspeakers in crowded areas and public places. Then this factories and industries, they should be located far away from the residential areas. According to this noise pollution regulation and control rules 2000, they have divided 4 different zones: industrial, commercial, residential and silent zone. And in these zones they have given different levels of sound noise, day as well as for night. For industrial they have given 75 to 70